good evening, good afternoon, good night, good day, or depends on your time and where you dey watch us from. I remain your brother, your friend Dada Massis, and today I sit with my brother here, Don Blackie, aka Ovioba. So once he can talk about Edo must move forward and Edo State matter as large. So my brother Don Blackie, I beg introduce yourself and may you talk to us.
My people, I greet una well. I greet una according to una town, una location, and me, una friend, una brother, Don Blackie, aka Ovioba. So I did here with my brother Dada. We go the talking as he talking before. Those states at large. I greet una well.
So, Baba, we don't take much time. See, please, as you are joining us, share this video. We not to take much time. About yes, like 30 minutes, we don't call it a day because today na Sunday. Person need to do one or two relax.
Confirm.
So, my brother, for these past weeks now, I believe today is the last day of the week, which is Sunday. So, on these past weeks, made all the out. I don't know whether you hear me.
Bro, I dey hear you loud and clear.
Hello.
I dey hear you loud and clear.
For these past weeks now, different things don't happen for the Benin. And today na the day of. So, for so far, don't take many places. They say God are not there. See. They see some group of people see once go one person, and many things don't happen for this week. And today may be the last day of the week. Now, say we talk about that. More talk a little about that before we call them a day. So, I like to start from this area of the way erosion is taking some parts for a good state. How you go to address those kind of area? Maybe say some area now got another day. If water your fall, everywhere go your seize, like everywhere go your tight up. No road and all those things. And most of this road now federal road. And some say government need to do this thing. Like me, that is not too good in this area. Now make us say, I bring you come. Because some say now federal road and a federal supposed to do. So what do you go talk about these issues? May they go on about this flooding of water for many states. Hey, load that one.
I don't know. My brother, nah, God go bless you. But for me, no, the old roads were not good. No, just all of them not be federal. Fine, federal day, state all day. Shey dey feel me? If you look out for Edo State now, erosion full everywhere. It not good. It not make sense. It not just rely just on the government. We as an individual, we still they contribute, they join, waiting they cause all those unnecessary erosion for those states there, including the communities, all those different communities that they contribute, they join, waiting make erosion, they full everywhere for those states. So not just only federal, in aspect of that federal, fine. We also know say the state government, they go fit still use their influence to draw the attention of the federal to that road and they go fix am up. What about those ones when they inside state? I believe now still the duties of the government make them fix am up. But we see the way it be now, our children now when we dey send make them go school, if rain dey fall, our minds go dey beat, make erosion, make flood not go carry them. You understand? Road not good. Erosion can't join up. So na big problem. Very big problem. Eh? So that be the level, bro.
Our individual and our government, we need to do to make sure say we see some parts for our major road. And if you look where this water the flood, you see that one, that the one they showed today was TV road, and that one are one of our major road. You see the other one, Sapler road. That one are one of our major road. You see the other one of that day, all those areas of airport, Ekenwa road. All those one are one of our major road. All those Ugbowo area, UBTS areas, or those let's say they go look all those areas. Okay. All those areas are our major road. What do you say we go do, or what do we need to say we need to tell the governor to do about those our major roads?
Okay, my brother, if you see, you go feel remember when last they do environmental reach for those states. Say environmental.
I bet more you forget that one.
Okay. No, we not fit forget if we want know the facts. That one alone still contribute how government go fit take fix those roads. For example, now the communities, if they sell land where they suppose give road when erosion go dey pass, out of Okode Kilalobo, they go measure am, they'll sell and join am. And who the sell and give, he himself not go still think. A lot of them no think say he need to leave space where erosion go float pass. He go use fence, he go block am. Whereby he block where erosion dey pass, where the erosion wan go. You know, go find where gather. He go gather and he go affect all of them. At the end of the day, though they cry, they call they meet the state government. So that environmental, it really needs make it come on board again, make it active. They'll set task force so that we go to clean our surroundings. If we dey maintain our surroundings like normal individual for Edo State, they not they clean, we not they clean our surroundings. Who drink pure water go to we for ground? Who drink ice cream go to we for ground? If rain fall, all those gutter when they dig, they go pack all of them go. It go block the gutter, and the government they still get big rules to play. The gutter when they dig for most of those roads, you know wide reach. You know the wide reach. So all those ones join wetin government go do, where go miss erosion, go feel still dey less for Edo State, and we still need better drillage. And I believe how much they call that time, whether 50 million or 50 billion water stone project. I don't remember again how much it can be. Nigeria. Okay, 50 billion. 50 billion. Well, so they use 50 billion for Edo State. Now erosion full everywhere like that. So we go need erosion of Edo State. 50 billion.
And that is the question we the Edo supposed to be demanding. After about the 50 billion, I know there was one time our governor was trying to raise that issue up about that 50. Okay, he said 30 billion. No, sorry. He says it's not 50 billion. Our brother just correct us, said 30 billion. Okay. Because me and him. That is what we are supposed to be asking the whether or not the past administration or the present, what did they do with 30 billion water store project? And at the end, today, water store they flood Edo or our major road. Those are the questions
my brother.
But unfortunately, we don't have those.
My brother, see, the issue is that the issue not be the past government or the present government. All of them, they inside the government. This present one, he did the past one. And most of them for the past one, they did this present one. So may they tell Edo State, the good citizen of Edo sons and daughter, where did they use 30 billion do? When we say erosion still there, those things, more take politics out of this one. More take politics out of this one. Wait till 30 billion. What did they use and do? They say they want use and take do erosion. Me erosion, me as me those states they erosion free. But at the end of the day, erosion still there. Those states 30 billion. Why here with a donor? They use 30 billion.
So what you they try to talk about more politics, sentimental and right. What you say more drop politics aside, more face the reality. Whether you be PDP, you be APC, more come together, more ask questions. What 30 billion? What they use and back?
Yes, you know, if they pay me for a lot of our youth like this, all of them full social media now, then they use math, they insult each other. Saga. Questions when they suppose they ask, they know they ask. And we Nigerians, we they forget something. One matter go you come now, another one go come. Will you forget the first one? We know they ask questions. 30 billion water stone project. What did they use and do for Edo State? When this governor say he want to investigate 30 billion water stone project, are they happy? Because they feel say your side they clean. That make you want investigate and be fine. And true. If your own side they clean, investigate them. If you not they clean, investigate them. May we, the Edo sons and daughter, may we know who want to Edo State go back. So that we'll feed the pursue that person. Say enough if Edo State go back. Not be when we now go your honor white and holding insult each other. When government that they use us, they play. We the commoner, we the sufferer for Edo State. Hello, you hear me, bro? Hello.
And we'll come back again. Come back because we're not going to hear you before. Come back.
Okay. I say now questions when those sons and daughters suppose they ask. What did they use 30 billion water?
Hello, you they hear me?
I they hear you, bro.
And we your pause. We know they hear you. You your pause.
Oh, gosh. Ask the viewers now. Me I they hear you. I they hear you. Help us ask the viewers if they hear us.
Okay, so okay, I believe the viewers they can hear us. If you can hear us, just type if you can hear us. If the network is okay, just type or say the network they okay. So they tell us now, say more of us join out together, more live under you be PDP, APC or whatever, more take move Edo State forward. They say yes, okay. More take move Edo State outside of any politics may you join, and more not they play politics of bitterness. Now yes. What you try to tell us now?
We don't need to play politics of bitterness. We don't need to they say I be this one PDP, I be APC. When you see say your ideas and my ideas go fit make Edo move forward, my guy, take party out of it. You understand? You work for the masses to really show that you are a good leader, and you lead by example. So the question is that.
Thank you so much.
Where did they use 30 billion Waterstone project? What did they use and do? And why they not investigate that matter as a brigand come before? What can happen when they pause? Not be we go come they insult ourselves for social media. And I go point finger straight direct to Abato Baze, Osaseno Holding, Malo Agbogun. May they begin to ask questions why they never still investigate 30 billion Waterstone project. Not be to come they join all those fights for social media. Saga, are they Camp A, are they Team B? No, we don't need that one. Now, I don't want to move forward. Now we need more take politics out of this or individual interest. Sure, they hear me, bro.
Hello, my people, please, if you can hear us, just comment that.
Our brother Steve, say they cannot investigate that 30 billion. Why? If they not feel investigate, we go keep quiet, look there like that, and the erosion they affect us as a human, as the masses. It's not called for. They need to investigate and they need to fix how erosion not till they disturb our people again.
Okay, you just say that because of you say that because of my brother. You just say that because of that money, may they want to dig the gutter for the water road. May they not do. Now come make this erosion full everywhere.
Yes, now they will block a lot of place in access where. Say maybe the name of one fix the road and now spread the road more. And the money come. Not be said the money not come. I'm not going to do the work the way it's supposed to be. You understand? It's not called for now. Now questions when those sons and daughters supposed to ask. See, make I tell you, erosion, rainy season just the start. More erosions they come. It just the starts. You when come labor, build house, come suffer, build house, you can't go be tenant for your neighbor hand because your side the erosion don't spoil am. Landlord go become tenant. Now be this one so.
Okay, so down for those state politics and those state erosion and all those flood me all the city. Mostly talk about the those state security at large. Those state vigilante community, those state security network at large. For the 5 weeks now, even yesterday, we see CNN show us say Edo State vigilante combining with police. They rescue about 13 people, make Tifi Jankuliko kidnappers kidnap, and with the help of the police and with the help of the state vigilante, Edo State community vigilante, they rescue them and they bring them come back alive. And he said this week, because he say one of our brother Emmanuel Esquire Aigbogun, see talk about the same vigilante say they go person house around 3 o'clock, a bit 2 o'clock. They say they want to go find person. So you know, for this week, a lot of things don't happen. Inside this week, there are many things don't still happen. So more you talk us more because we not to take time. Maybe 30 minutes will come up for you. So more start from the area of how you see that improvement make our Edo State security network, our vigilante do yesterday, make China TV carry for our doorstep, say they try, make they rescue 13 people from what they call this forest for the what cheap bypass road. You don't understand?
Bypass road. See the level, my brother. I commend their efforts and I give the kudos to those teams, those vigilantes for their good job. You understand?
Yeah,
believe me. Yes, believe me. For security to take place, for we to feel secure ourselves, the major key is information. If you dey informed, then you will
not be informed.
You understand me? But wetin make me commend those vigilantes when go that operation, they really do well. But there are a lot of them will be bad heads when me want they will come out among them. No, bad head.
People money.
Yes, bad.
We cannot hear you. We cannot hear you.
Oh. Person they call me before.
Okay, we can hear you now, sir. We can hear you now, sir.
Enter my phone before. So all those bad eggs now for we to fix their art so that the good ones will continue their job. For a vigilante to come out, go Percy house for midnight.
No worry, we are coming for that one. More talk about this the good side, like what did they do that yesterday. Now that is what we are seeing deliberating on before the other one.
I be waiting. I talk just now. Information really matter and encouragement from the good Edo sons and daughter and the equipment where the fit take carry out their operation.
Matters
with those things, their job go dey very easy for them to do. So I will commend them for their good job. We need more. We need more.
Thank you so much. So thank you so much. So you know, say this Tifi Jankuliko, they say they not go let Benin rest. They say the Fulani, not people Tifi, the Fulani say they don't want let our bushes rest. And this some of the good vigilante don't say them see ready to see fight for Edo State. You know that I no make sure say their own state secure. And if you say now these people they know they pay them more. You and I more they talk so now this period will not they talk about this Edo State vigilante again. I hope you can hear me, my brother.
I hear you fire down.
I hope you hear me, my brother.
Fire
I hope you hear me because you sneeze. Now because we want to talk about this vigilante because of the complaint we call they get from individual, these different people. We not know. But now maybe say man, some the bad ones are trying, and the bad ones come blessing, and some the bad ones come many past the good ones. We not know. So now inside there now we see say around 2 o'clock for night, I be 3 o'clock. Some people they say the vigilante they go Betty house. Even the vigilante may they meet on ground, they tie down one, they anchor palm. Meaning say they don't they not get talkie code or they not get that love of vigilante. Say okay, this one na vigilante. As far as say not do crime, it now we come. You know say police now. If police want go arrest for another place, if another police station did there, it go fair inform the police made that area. But the way you will see for live video for Emmanuel Aigbogun live video, he said they read there, they won't call tie them, beat them, join and say they not get level, now then get level pass. Wait till you go see talk about those kind of code of conduct, my brother, for the vigilante.
Make we just conclude that first question first. As Fulani S-men say, they not go let Edo forest rest. And Edo State Joint Vigilante say they're ready for Fulani S-men. People like we we ready as well to support the good vigilante to wipe all the old evil Fulani men away from our forest. And they use the media opportunity, they draw the attention of the government, make them start to pay the good vigilante for Edo State, make them empower them. Then, in aspect of this vigilante, go person house for midnight. If vigilante go person house for midnight, whether they not get talking code, my brother, as I talked before, if you are not informed, you will be deformed. Do not feel your command for Ring Road. You'll say you go over here. What about those people now? They hide for bush. As you they come, they open fire. Okay? Maybe they're not gonna go. They behave like some of our military when they say they're just saying now those people did they bomb them. They constantly bomb themselves. No, we don't need that kind of yama. And I don't stay today. All those people, to me, they not be vigilante. Now thief, now they be thief. For you to come jump fence, climb, enter person, I go break door. Now thief, now they go thief. In Ayara or Jian, in vigilante. And those kind of people, we don't need them for those states joint vigilante. May they wipe them completely. Because they feel your key person there now they'll come out. Nobody know. They go deny. Because any community where you they go as an vigilante, you suppose no say if vigilante did that community. If vigilante did that community or John Way did that community, you must seek permission. On my way, the hand on Magualo. Now, John Way go fix and he go bring that person come out because now in community, he gets say over that community or Inoge or Kagele. You don't feel your come, you go the jump fence, the entire person compound. On my way, man, it's not called for OG in Ayara, OG in Ajo. We don't need those kind of people for vigilante. Share the film, my brother. We don't need those kind of people for vigilante. Now, thief them go.
Thank you so much. For inside this week, now the update, my dog people, as they watch all the shows, so we're going to do this program once in a week. Here we'll talk about what don't happen for Edo State for from Monday till Sunday. So we'll call the people at the judgment on Sunday. We're going to do it every week like this. So my brother, inside this the same week, maybe the last week, we'll give them our judgment. So Baba, what talk about? Yo, what talk about Baba? It's somehow Scandinavia. What talk about, boss? I get you, boss. You know, since we tell our chairman talk now, we wait that chairman waiter. You know that those are made the judgment. They are criminals. They are not VGM.
Yes. Oh, see,
So my brother, what we talk about inside this week for the same vigilante, we hear say for one community, they call community for bypass, say mistakenly or something, they take a person, say now go battle. Is there anything now for the water?
Now, brother, the
person was still a vigilante, something like that, and there was this stop and search. He said the stop and search is whether they said the Enoge was coming, so vigilante was doing stop and search, something like. Before they know, they say whether they lay ambush, they start exchanging gun, and they say person there. I can see go and show you right now on ITV.
No, I don't understand. That they exchange gun with armed robbers or how?
With community people, due to what you will hear. Wait, let me go up.
Wait. If vigilante na community they did, na community work that they do. Every community, igbine community yamagbina. What you can vigilante can issue of community. Niana ya filo isi.
That we saw the thing on I share for ITV. Now ITV.
See, my intake on that. That team of that vigilante and their head leader, when leader squad come, may they call them to question, may they gather their facts. If not fact, may they scramble them, may they face the wrath of the law.
Look at the video. Look at the video.
On easy time at Uho community in Ikubaha local government have taken to protest over the alleged killing of an indigene by some members of the vigilante group. So spokespersons for the protesters said.
Let me take it back. Wait, Mike, can I go back me here?
I don't see the picture.
Uneasy calm at Tuho community in Ipobaha local government area for those states, as some indigenes have taken to protest over the alleged killing of an indigene by some members of the vigilante group. Spokespersons for the protesters said some members of the vigilante group are indigenes of the community who have been laying claims to a large parcel of land in the community, a claim which was resisted by of the community. They allege that in order to fortify their strength, the young men decided to join the newly formed security network in Edo State as a means to unleash terror on the community. The action led to the death of a young man, while 2 others who sustained injuries have been taken to the hospital.
They came with about 5 vehicles. The next thing they started shooting.
Load the one minute you talk now. What till you see about this issue?
My brother, OG, anything, all those ones, they are criminals. They are not a vigilante. They are land grabbers. There's no difference between those guys and the Fulani AS men. They are land grabbers. Yes, they are criminals because how you can't use the name of a vigilante till they oppress the masses because of land where you want to collect. If you dey fight community fight, you face your community fight, take your vigilante out of it. Not be because of that one they form a vigilante. You understand me? So in the process of you go they shoot sporadically for community, all those men, may they bring them to book when you are Aragon.
Spokesman from the vigilante talk, the spokesman from the more listen to the affair before you conclude. Abi? More listen to the finish now just 3 minutes.
Okay.
Shooting sporadically that led to the death of our brother. Our life is no longer safe. As we speak now, none of us can go about its legitimate business again. We're not safe for this. We're calling on the district governor to tell they are from government house. And the government are giving them the authority to deal with anybody or any group. Time they come yesterday, they use cutlass to hammer that man for my household.
Wife from the deceased, identified as Osaige Siohare, said her husband was a peaceful man and appealed for justice.
We are begging to God. Look at our last born here. You don't know my father. My dad is really needs you. Please come and help us. My mommy don't have anything to do.
Oh. You see?
As this belonging to members of the vigilance group have been raised to the ground in the wake of the crisis, while those allegedly involved have taken to their heels. The director of Operation Network said the network does not involve itself in community crisis and those the alleged attack did so at their own peril. He alleged that it was the community people who attacked their officers who carried out their duties, claiming that they intercepted the vehicle of the Enoge of our community, which led to wild shouting and later degenerated.
What's really happened there? Our boys that is working and living with them, the same community with them, was doing their job at their major road, doing stop and search. Same person they do stop and search, they come to their motor and they are Enoge, they inside the motor. They come ask the person, say, you know, see Enoge here, because he and he did it too. So inside the process, exchanging of words now come. He said, but no shooting of gun, then I now fight. In the evening, I don't know the commander, then they now hand over power to lead the operation, to arrest these people and bring to the police. So getting to there, the lay ambush, according to the story we had, the lay ambush on our men. They say they don't start firing.
The police public relations.
You don't hear me. My brother. My people made a workshop. More than 30 this one out the made one put try the week more want to give on every Sunday show. So my brother, what you go for that one now?
That one, only now that one beneath they call a kekebueke. Na kekebueke, that be that one. he has said that they do stop and search. He said, you not see how I look for you.
Vigilante member of that community community. So another group.
Now community matter rebel. Just listening to himself. Una they do stop and search. Because you not see how I look here. They call the exchange words. Later on, they can't change commander. May they go make arrest. Only they said arrest. Are you a DPO? Are you the Inspector General of Police? You want to go arrest because they say you not see how I know here. In that process, they lay ambush with your men. May they go say that community land nice day their high. When you are the gun, when you are the gun. Now so me sit down and reach.
But now people don't die for the issue. They don't burn people ass and you hear the thing from my TV reporter. Those one are waiting happen throughout the week. And throughout this week, we come here, say our governor might go page, man, not go talk like. So we could give on an update of once in a week program. So on I made they know what the happen for Edo State, but they share that to us so that every Sunday we will do this program. We will tell you now the development of the waiting happen for Edo State throughout the week. Now we return. So and throughout this week, one woman from Osula family for this week most day. So it begin share palliative all over Edo State. One foundation, I forget the foundation woman is from Osula family. It begin share rice, a palliative from now let's say there's some part of Ishan and it go see come the major Edo State. Now the woman just they do there's no more than 13 truck of rice palliative that woman don't share this week. What you go see talk Mr. What you go see talk and they say from Osula family. Osula family. You say
now God go bless that woman. I thank her. May God continue to bless her. As far as she get the mind to help the masses. So I pray to God, may God strengthen her more. May God bless her. And I see they beg the woman. May the woman not forget to may still try, may reach Ovia. May still share for our people for Ovia. We love you, Sophia.
Don't talk about the issue for inside this week. So our governor, Godwin Obaseki, because he talk about the insecurity made they run all over the state and the schools. May in see the build on and see the town for you now. Governor paid 9 million so for what he do for this week more your day so now they tell you so. Because he talk about the insecurity in Nigeria and Edo State and because he go visit some areas where those states, because he go meet police to see talk about how and his site, you understand that for you now. He the monitor his site, mean the work and in the inside the school self, may see they do. So what you go talk about the insecurity matter make our government because in Nigeria at large, security not there. And if they may compare together to fight the insecurity in Nigeria. So my brother, what you go see talk about our governor for which he talk. You just say they right for him as a governor to see come and say insecurity in our nation, in our state is not really good. We should all join hands together and tackle the insecurity. Which you get to talk about that, my brother.
In aspect of that, not be bad thing. Say him as a governor, he talk concerning insecurity. Even if dirty too much for inside soup, blind go see say this one are dirty. You understand? So we, the poor masses, already know, say, security not in Nigeria to talk of. But for the governor to talk, waiting in don't do regarding to that. Now still another question. And in aspect of, say, he go site, go take picture. It did different from work completed. You understand? Now two different things. So nevertheless, as we see, and we know they play politics here. Me, I go still use the opportunity, beg the governor, because the primary aim of a governor now to secure life and property of his people. Any governor when not do that one, he fail. So I want to use the opportunity, beg this governor, I beg, make it secure the life of Edo's sons and daughters. It is very important. Now we not even the talk of Nigeria. May we not carry Nigeria a problem in Nigeria. We are years of LA. May we focus on Edo State. Make the governor, make it really big governor, when go get those sons and daughter for mind. May we focus on those states. In aspect of this, our local vigilante, so that more secure everywhere. Our waterways, our neighboring border, more secure everywhere. So now beg when me come beg and I be that one. I greet you, my brother.
So this one, our sister made a share food and Rosula Foundation. So you go see na Rosula Foundation. Now you the share food for who those people. Rosula Foundation. Rosula Foundation.
My sister.
If let's say na the Madam be this, something like that. Rosula Foundation. Let's say na the Madam be this.
Mommy no mo say so my brother West Saloba Afiagbo. Ekpenu ke go ni rewe ika o ni ka o get do kekere Saloba rima ogba orewe nuka aboya we ni bun sisu gele wa we me do sayo o Saloba wa mu we yorion we no ma to we say
mama Rosula Foundation, this is the woman.
Mommy we say ebe mia o we give inside of your
blessing and today share this one.
Oh, Wabun or Sophia or Boom. A plenty. This one going go with Sophia. A plenty. Oh, Wabun.
You like that? You like that?
So, also, mommy, you do well. God bless you, man.
So, my brother, I think we don't report the case of those states today now. I be anyone still they give me not remember. If on a day on a treat tell us what happened from on Monday to Sunday morning, tell us so that people will call and they get one for this week now. There many things happen. Say social media president go graveyard, go pray for who they press for a live video. And I see the same this week, one woman cry come out. Because say what me make me not fit talk about that woman matter. They say that one collect it, cannot talk the country because the country me dey. I cannot take the country. So because it come
out. Kade, no. For social media president, cry come out, go cemetery. Social media president, Oyibo, they're not the year though. Talk let's say Oyibo spirit not bad. If you like, go cemetery.
Wow.
Then you
say that woman see they do for Lagos to continue, mama. They continue, my brother.
A social media president, a cemetery no wa Johnny Tafia nehi. Ebo in head do we ya atiebo, wa in head do ye. Ebo spirit in Ziba, spirit in Agbisan, Ziba. We ya uni. Man, waiting that social media president go do, it not make sense. To start from, it not make sense. You just gotta go cemetery, go the video everywhere. You not even get right to start from go the video cemetery. To start from, you not get that right. How you even think enter there? Maybe if they go checkmate and now you snitch enter there. So that our social media president, he not do that one well. He not do one well at all. Now I felt talking in the process of how you take the find peace, it go they cause more problem. If that man go fit yours enter house, maybe like 2 months, may you see the atmosphere of this social media, whether or not they come. So that one go they speak Bini. Oyibo spirit not the year though, not the year Bini. Their spirit not bad. Talk let's say one key person. So maybe they not count that one have something at all.
Okay, that one wait to see happen this week. This the same week 9. One woman see clear come out from one country say they collect king and a lot of things. What do you go to talk for that one? No, call me now.
That woman 15, me I even post the post for my page of your noticed forum. But to me, questions when people they ask me myself can't tire. Where the father of that children? According to the woman, she says she get documents. The children get documents. Their papa not get documents that he bought and go Italy. How come? You get documents, your husband don't get, the children get documents, their father don't get.
I don't need to measure the country where the woman is, but the truth is because now when I go if you pay you my brother, we understand the meaning. So the truth is that if the man you pregnant woman like where me day now, you not do the right thing, they not give you that the woman not give you that privilege to stand as a father. Even though you bought 20, you will not be granted. Maybe the woman not give that man that privilege to stand as the father that now they responsible. Now make her they deport the boy.
Okay.
If the boy he stand as a father, they recognize as a father. He can never. Yes, the delay ram. See now they feel not give him, but they can never. They not feel can go back. They tell me go bring the passport. Make it start to the work.
Okay.
But they not feel can go back. Maybe he not stand as a father.
Because you know, and I want to use the opportunity beg our Nigerians, if situation come up like that, may we not the insult, more not they use like the tire person again, because a lot of people just insult the woman, good or bad. Una no need to insult that woman. Now words of encouragement, now una need to encourage that woman, because now mother, the pains there is no matter what. So they beg all of una beg make una not insult the woman again. They not they know finish. We all they learn day by day. Instead, try advise the woman how she will feel succeed again her pikin back. So not be issue of insult. You understand? So that waiting me also be that. And that woman, make she herself, make she try, may still reach out to one or two when be say go fit still direct her. Because even one person, even involves me, I be say me down while you call the woman direct as far say I number dey there. I don't want to be third party. No, that one say no. Make her ask the woman. Say because she don't pass through that kind of thing, or her friend, how she fit take collect her baby. Say coming to social media, it not go help her. Instead, it go worsen her case. You understand?
Okay.
So I beg, may we advise that woman, may we encourage her, more not the insult her again. I greet you, my brother.
So now you will call her day now. We don't give her the broadcast which happen throughout this week. We don't give her. So every Sunday we go to come, we dey see they bring which happen for Europe, those states we go to bring her they come for now. And maybe next week we feel be 3, we feel be 4, we feel be 5. So we go to bring her come like that. So Mr. Don Blackie, aka Ovioba Osafian, thank you so much for joining us and your own opinion. God bless you, my brother.
My brother. Good to happy Mother's.
Okay. So that is our brother Don Blackie, aka Ovioba. We don't give on the update. So you made a get update for Benin, for abroad. Not fit to the sender for us. We go to keep her. Or Sunday like this evening, we'll call the giver to honor. We will call the broadcaster, the good one, the bad one, the anyone will they call the giver to honor. So God bless you. I remain your brother, your friend, Ambassador Dada Masses, the man that love peace. I always stay away from trouble. I mind my business. So, and I believe you self stay away from trouble and mind your business. Be a creative person. Be very focused and understand what you are doing. And don't gossip. Don't envy your fellow brother. Don't plan evil against yourself. Love your neighbor as the way you love yourself. I remain your brother, your friend, Ambassador Dada Masses. Stay blessed, and anyhow we talk today, please don't take it personal. The one may not good. The one may good, use and do something. I come in peace, and I will also go in peace. Stay blessed and shalom.